As a small business owner, you tell me your wildest customization dreams, and I'll use my magic to make them reality. Gotta have the right tools for the job, right? The xTool i4 Ultra that brings those personalized touches to life. Today, I got a customer with the coolest family crest design I've ever seen. It's next level cool, isn't it? I will try my best to make them even cooler. My job, take the red ring and bam! And the customer metal coin, a seal stamp, I'm taking full-on family legacy vibes here. So we're gonna choose embossment, or you can call it relief engraving. And then we're gonna automatically measure the distance between your ring and your laser head. And next, we're gonna have a live preview by clicking refresh. So this is gonna help you to adjust your pattern to the area where you wanna laser engrave. And then we're gonna set all the parameters. Of course, we're gonna choose fiber infrared laser as we're gonna do the metal laser engraving. And we're gonna choose how many layers we wanna laser engrave. Normally, we're gonna choose the most, which is 256 to have a better result. And 100% of power, 1000 millimeters per second of speed, and for 2 passes. But in your case, if you want to have deeper result, you can just choose more numbers, and 300 lines per centimeters. And about engraving angle, so after laser engraving each layer, the laser scanning angle will rotate by 15 degrees to reduce the unnecessary lines during the laser engraving process and make sure the pattern is more smooth and more uniform. That's it. The next step is very important. We're gonna remove the rust generated during the relief engraving process. Just insert a circle to cover your pattern. I'm gonna choose laser engrave, fiber laser of course, and 20% of power, and 4000 for the speed, and 2 passes. And we're gonna set up as a new layer. We're gonna adjust the order as we're gonna relief engrave first. And choose by layer. And hit the process. And hit start. And push the button on the machine. This ain't gonna be some ordinary ring. It'll be a treasure they passed down for generations. The family crest bursting with history and pride. Stay tuned for the next episode.